In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trades on cTrader app. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your app, you want to go to the bottom right and tap on My cTrader. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, there's going to be a big green copy button over here in the middle. So simply tap on this green copy button. And then from here, you can see your strategies, your favorites, and the ones you're copying right now. So to actually do this, of course, you want to start and find something you actually want to copy. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to actually click buttons on screen over here. So don't take any financial advice from me because I won't give any, and make sure you actually consult a professional. This is only for informational purposes on how to use this platform. So from here, you want to find something. I'm actually going to go and filter up top by demo accounts because I'm using a demo account right now, but it's going to work pretty much the same way for live accounts as well. Now, when you find something, you can simply tap on a specific one. So as you can see, there's 3 right now. I can tap on start copying at the bottom, and there we go. It's simply going to say start copying, and I'm going to start copying that specific strategy. Okay, just like this, you can then add your funds on here, and you can of course start your copy trading. Okay, that's the first way you could do it, but of course if you have selected a live account, it's going to look like this. Now if I for example filter by live over here, there we go, I'm going to tap apply, and then it's going to show me all the different possibilities I have to actually copy trade live. There we go. I can tap on start copying over here, and as you can see, I'm going to be prompted to first open a live account, and whenever I do this, I'll be able to come in here and then set this up and start live copying. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.